Afternoon, everybody. The warm temperatures continue today. Take a look at these numbers. 78 in Rockville. These are high temperatures today. 3 of you down to the south saw temperatures above 80 degrees. Robinson, Vincennes, and Olney. At least you hit there in Crawford County at 80. Indianapolis, same deal. They topped out at 80. We've only seen 78 in Terre Haute, but we're within about 5 or 6 degrees from some record highs out there. Currently at 75. We've had a few clouds move into Terre Haute, and we're watching these clouds. The potential for some rain still exists within these clouds. Now, locally, we do not have any rain to speak of. It's still 82 and very warm down in Vincennes and Olney. Well, it's warm for a couple of reasons. We have an area of low pressure that's going to move in. It's going to change things drastically for us for Thursday and Friday. But the winds out of the south, that's the driving factor. There's warm air down that way, and it's bringing in this warmer air mass. I mean, look at these steady winds, anywhere from 10 to 25 miles per hour. And they're not going to lie down much tonight. They will a little bit, but not much. And look at this. It's 75 in Terre Haute. It's 80 in Fort Wayne, and only 54 degrees up in Chicago. And take a look at Omaha, 42. Des Moines, Iowa is 50. And with that, they've even got some snow in areas out to the west, believe it or not. I mean, we're outside in shorts and a t-shirt today, and they're talking snow showers out west. We do not have snow in the forecast, but what we do have is basically that cold front that's out west moving eastward. So locally tonight, a few isolated thunder showers, not out of the question, but they won't happen until much later. Looks like everything's going to be okay for outdoor plans over the next few hours. And then tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., still just a few spotty showers locally would be about it, because most of the day we've got winds out of the south. We're warming back up mid to upper 70s, but I've stopped things at 2 o'clock. Skies above still going to be showing some clouds, some sunshine. Where's the rain at this point? We know it's moving in. It really looks like it's going to be tomorrow night. Futurecast just has that low pressure just sitting out there. It's just spinning out west. And what it's going to do is slowly move off to the east. By 11 o'clock tomorrow night, still around the St. Louis area. So it's after midnight tomorrow night into Thursday before we see some rain and thunderstorms approach. Now, that being said, this could come a little bit farther south. That does put us in a higher category for severe thunderstorms tomorrow night. Right now, the bulk of the energy does look to stay farther to our north. So by Thursday morning at 7 a.m., the bulk of the energy is moving through, and we don't see a lot of severe weather out of this. But we've got to keep our eyes open for this system because it's warm. It's going to get cooler outside. That's a recipe this time of year for some severe thunderstorms again late tomorrow night. Isolated thunder showers tonight. 61 your overnight low. Yeah, that's warm for an overnight. 79 tomorrow for a daytime high, back down to 57. Your best chance for rain is tomorrow night. Notice the temperatures behind that, only 50 for a high on Friday. So it does get colder outside, but right back to 67 as we get into Sunday, Susie. So a wild little roller coaster here the next couple of days. But